Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at a unique product designed specifically for deep cleaning your mattress and upholstery, the Shop-Vac Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't your run-of-the-mill vacuum. It boasts some pretty impressive features that aim to tackle those hard-to-reach, deeply embedded particles in fabrics. With 14 kph of suction power, UVC light, and ultrasonic technology, this vacuum sets out to do more than just surface cleaning. The first thing you'll notice about the Shop-Vac Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is its powerful 400-watt motor that delivers up to 14,000 pa of suction power. This strength isn't just for show. It penetrates deep into the layers of your mattress, couch, or upholstery, pulling out fine dust, pet dander, skin debris, and other particles that ordinary vacuums leave behind. Whether it's your mattress or your sofa, this vacuum can make your upholstery feel refreshingly clean. Thanks to its 36,960 RPM high-frequency tapping mechanism, it provides an intense cleaning action that gives you more than just a surface scrub. The ultrasonic vibrations work in tandem with the suction, while the UVC light, powered by a 253.7 nanometers wavelength, targets bacteria and allergens. A particularly standout feature is the dual-cup dust separation system. This design uses a 3-stage filtration process to handle everything from large debris to the finest particles, ensuring that the filters stay clear longer, which means the vacuum will maintain peak suction. One of the most common annoyances with vacuums is when filters clog, but this dual system tackles that issue head-on, delivering cleaner air back into your home. And speaking of air, it also uses scented heat cleaning. The unit blows out warm air at 140 degrees Fahrenheit to dry bedding and garments, reducing moisture and odors. Plus, there's a compartment for fragrance tablets, not included, allowing you to infuse a subtle scent into your fabrics, a nice touch for freshly cleaned sheets or cushions. When it comes to maneuverability, this mattress vacuum doesn't disappoint either. The Anti-Entanglement magnetic brush makes cleaning easier by reducing hair wrapping and simplifying maintenance. It also comes with a quick-release design for the brush, allowing you to rinse and dry it without any complicated steps. You won't need tools or fussing, just a simple removal. Whether you're tackling long hair on your mattress or pet fur on your couch, the brush will continue to perform smoothly. Now, when it comes to actual cleaning performance, this vacuum does what it's built for. It's great at lifting dirt, dust, and even embedded pet hair. On upholstery, it glides across fabric, tapping and vibrating to release particles. It works effectively on mattresses, lifting fine dust and allergens you might not even realize are there. However, it's not without its challenges. Like many vacuums, the longer the cleaning session, the heavier the unit becomes, especially for those cleaning larger surfaces. The 15.4 feet cord can sometimes be limiting, particularly if you're used to cordless models, but for a vacuum built to focus on upholstery and mattresses, it's a manageable length. In terms of noise, while it's not the quietest vacuum, it's not overwhelming either. It's certainly a step up from high-powered models that can shake the house, but it may not be ideal for people who need quiet cleaning. So, what are the pros and cons of the Shop-Vac Mattress Vacuum Cleaner? On the positive side, the suction power is impressive, and the combination of high-frequency tapping, ultrasonic cleaning, and UVC light ensures a deep, multi-layered clean. The scent infusion feature is also a pleasant bonus, as it leaves fabrics smelling fresh. The Anti-Entanglement magnetic brush is an excellent practical addition, and the multi-mode cleaning is truly effective. On the flip side, the vacuum might feel a bit heavy over time, especially during long cleaning sessions, and the cord length can be restrictive for some users. Additionally, while the UVC light is a great addition for sanitizing, it requires the vacuum to be in contact with the surface to function, which might take some getting used to. Now let's talk about value for money. This mattress vacuum isn't the cheapest on the market, but the powerful suction, UVC light, ultrasonic vibrations, and scent infusion system set it apart from standard vacuums. When compared to similar products, it offers a strong performance, but some alternatives might offer longer battery life or more compact designs for those looking for a versatile, all-in-one cleaning solution. The Shop-Vac vacuum cleaner does, however, stand out when it comes to fabric-specific cleaning and embedded dirt, making it ideal for those who want a vacuum that handles more than just surface debris. If you're cross-shopping, you might be considering vacuums like the Dyson V11 or a more traditional canister vacuum. In comparison, the Dyson offers more versatility with its cordless design and better performance on a wider range of surfaces, but it lacks the mattress-specific features like the UVC light and scented air cleaning. On the other hand, traditional vacuums might lack the focused, powerful cleaning on fabrics that the Shop-Vac delivers so effectively. The build quality feels solid, and the materials used for the body and brush are durable. The dust cup is easy to empty, and the filtration system doesn't clog as quickly as others, ensuring consistent suction performance. The heat feature is also an interesting addition, though it's not a game changer for everyone. In terms of long-term reliability, the lack of major user-reported issues suggests that this vacuum could stand the test of time with proper care. If customer service is something you're concerned about, it's worth noting that Shop-Vac generally has a reputation for responsive support, especially for issues related to parts or maintenance. While I haven't needed to personally contact them for this specific model, it's reassuring to know that the company has been reliable in handling concerns with their vacuum range. In the end, this mattress vacuum is great for anyone looking for a deep cleaning, specialized solution for fabrics, especially if you're dealing with pet hair, allergens, or general mattress maintenance. It works best in homes where upholstery and mattresses need a heavy-duty, fine particle clean, and the extra features like heat and scent infusion provide a pleasant bonus. If you're after a lightweight, cordless model for broader cleaning tasks, this might not be your best option, but for mattress cleaning, it's hard to beat. Thanks for watching, and if you're considering giving this vacuum a try, you can find the link in the comments box below. If you've already used it, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools at your side.